Hi, it's Jessica Lee at the Sensors Conference. I'm here with Dave, representing TDK. He came from InvenSense. And Dave, you are now the Senior Director of Corporate Marketing for the whole MEMS sensor group.
That is correct. Yes, it is. Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Please introduce yourself and let us know what's new with InvenSense now that it's part of TDK.
Absolutely. Hi, yes. So, again, my name is David Almoslino. I'm here from the InvenSense side. We're a TDK Group company. Here within the TDK booth at Sensors Expo, there's a bunch of our different group companies, whether it be Micronos or Hutchinson. TDK USA is also here, and we're showcasing mostly a bunch of sensor solutions that fit within the IoT world, whether it be motion, whether it be magnetic, pressure, or temperature. We have them all right here, right now. What's interesting is how now us coming together, InvenSense is fairly new within the TDK Group companies, and a lot of our solutions are now becoming integrated with other group companies into different, whether it be consumer products or IoT products. An example would be Husqvarna. Husqvarna has a robotic lawnmower, and in it is a Micronos, again a TDK Group company, TMR sensor, along with InvenSense's motion sensors in there to work within the actual robotic lawnmower. Really fun solution. Different solutions that we can offer, whether it be sound, again pressure sensors for security, drones, etc. We love being here. Come by.
It's a good event so far for you?
It absolutely is. We're seeing a lot of traffic, and a lot of people have a big interest in IoT. And as you know, IoT encompasses so many different types of products. So we also have industrial products here that they can come by and see solutions for their own industrial type of needs.
I am also covering the blockchain conference that's taking place right now in the other hall, and just wanted to ask what your thoughts are on the blockchain movement, even in the IoT for blockchain.
Absolutely. So, you know, it's probably best for me to be a little bit generic, but I think it's always best to know that we're creating solutions that allow anyone developing types of products to work within different environments, and that's really what it comes down to.
Wonderful. Great. Well, thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.